Get acquainted with the 2024 Ram 2500. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated front seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, keyless start, remote engine start. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.